Hi you guys, welcome to my makeup tutorial. If you want to see more, continue to watch. Now I'm going in with my Perfect 23 palette. I'll be using a fluffy brush and I will be using a transitional color. This is a light brown. And as you can see, I'm going in windshield wiper Moses from the outer crease to the inner crease. And as I'm sweeping, I'm blending as well. Now I'm going back in that same palette and I'm using that same transition color. I'm just applying more to deepen up the crease a little bit. Now I'm going in with a deeper brown from this palette and I'm going from my outer crease to my inner crease, but focusing more on my inner crease. Now I'm taking a flat shade brush and I'm applying this black eyeshadow. And as you can see, I'm just lightly swiping it across my lid. Now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe, and this is going to act as a base but also as a primer. It's going to make the colors pop a little bit more. Right here I'm just lining that concealer. Now I'm going in with my Beauty Glaze palette and I'm taking this champagne color and I'm just lightly patting it over the concealer. Do not drag. Please do not drag this eyeshadow because the concealer is still drying, so lightly pat over the concealer. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop eyeshadow and it's like a glitter. So I'm taking this finishing spray and I'm spraying my flat shade brush, and it's gonna help the eyeshadow stick on top of the eyeshadow that I just applied on top of that concealer. And as you can see, I took a flat shade brush and I'm applying this pink purple like color to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm lightly patting and lightly dragging. Now I'm going in with this purple, like a prune purple color, like a rust purple color, and I'm applying it on top of all the colors that I applied. And I'm sweeping it from the outer crease to the inner crease. And now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm going from the outer to the inner crease, just darkening up the crease for more of a smoked out look. And I'm trying to blend. Get rid of all the harsh lines. You don't want any harsh lines on this look. Keep blending. I wanted to use a gel, but I went with the liquid eyeliner. But you can use a gel eyeliner in this look if you want, but I just didn't feel like using a gel eyeliner anymore. Take your time. Right here, I'm just fixing everything. And guys, I'm so sorry my camera died. I'm so sorry. But apply your lashes, mascara, foundation, concealer, powders, and red lipstick, and you'll be done. Just take your time.